So today I really want to wear this shirt. It's just like plain shirt in the front, and in the back there's just this like print on it. So I kind of just have to build an outfit off of this shirt, and I feel like I can do that. So I'm just wearing a white long sleeve shirt underneath my t-shirt, and now I just gotta figure out which pants I want to wear, and then I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup, and then we're done. Okay, I got the pants that I was looking for. I saw this girl on TikTok do like a hack with her shirt where she just tied the size of her shirt and tucked it in. That's what I'm gonna try. So much better now, and yeah, I really like it. Now for my hair, I already made these two like pigtails, and I want to try those like bubble pigtails, I guess, you know, where you tie your hair in like little sections and then it looks like bubbles. You know, like this. And then I'm gonna do an eyeliner just to finish the look, and then I'm done for day number 1. I'm done. Oh, tell me why this looks so cute. Like, oh my gosh. I love this. Kinda messed it up because you can't really see it from the front, but like it's still there and it's so cute. This is a 10 out of 10. I love this hairstyle so much. I'm done with my makeup. I only did my eyes, like mascara and an eyeliner. That's why you can still see how tired I am. So this was day number 1, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on day number 2. It's day 2, and today I decided that I want to wear this skirt. And if I really want to wear this skirt, then I need something warm on top and underneath it, because we'll figure it out. Hi, so basically we're doing the trick from yesterday again with the hairbands and the tucking in and stuff. I'm done with my makeup. Today is just a casual eyeliner day, so nothing special. But yeah, I finished the look for today. I'm pretty satisfied with the look, although I feel like a secretary. This was day number 2, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 3. Welcome to day 3 and outfit number 3. And today we're going for a 90s, 80s vibe. I want to try to do a transition. This is the outfit for today. Cute little crop top moment, low-rise jeans. Although I usually hate low-rise jeans. Yeah, that's the outfit, and now I'm trying to find inspiration for a hairstyle on Pinterest and maybe a makeup look. Yeah, let's do that. So this is the finished look. I really like this look, although it's not something I would usually wear. Hi! I really like the hairstyle too, and the cute little eyeliner. Also, I wanted to say I wish I had those little shoulder bags because I feel like that would really match this outfit. But sadly I don't have one of those, but I still like the outfit. So this was day number 3 and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 4. Good morning, it's currently around 10 AM and I have class in like 3 minutes, but I just wanted to say it's day 3. No, it's day 4 and I already picked my outfit, so I just need to change and then I'm gonna show you guys today's look. I kind of want to do a transition again just to spice it up a little bit. This is my outfit and I honestly haven't figured out what hairstyle I want to do yet, but I know that I'm not gonna do any makeup today because my eyes got kinda irritated. I don't know why. It's either because of my eyeliner or because of my makeup remover. So I gotta figure that out, but for now, for today, I'm not gonna use any makeup because I'm afraid that I'm gonna make it worse. You can kind of see that it's red. But anyways, I'm quickly gonna do a hairstyle and then I'm finished for today. Okay guys, I'm finished. This is my final look and to be honest the hair looks a little bit weird because of my bangs. They have like a weird length. Maybe I just clip them back. Yeah, maybe that would be better. So much better already, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now I'm finished with the look for today. I really like the look, although it's a bit too warm to wear inside. Maybe I'm gonna take off my layering. But other than that, I really like this look because of the colors and the matching flower in red on the pants. So that was day number 4 and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the last day. It's the last day and I still have to choose my outfit because I haven't had the time to do that yet, but I kind of want to make it special since it's the last day. I don't even have an idea in my head what I want to wear, but that's fine. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, I chose 2 outfit options and now I just have to see which one of them looks better. A little change of plans. I chose the skirt, but with a complete different top, but I still like it and it's kind of cute for like the last day. I feel very good in this. Now I gotta do my hair. There won't be any makeup today as well because my eyes still hurt, but it's still gonna look cute, I hope. I feel like earrings will go with this look. I might try them, see if it looks good. I definitely like it with the earrings. The bangs look so weird, but let me just ignore that. It's a bit over the top for being at home, but we don't care about that. As long as it looks cute, it's fine. This was the last day and the very last outfit.
She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels, gonna walk it out. Now Jane, what you doing in the backseat? I always thought you were a front seat Cadillac burning.
Comment down below which outfit was your favorite. I personally think that this is my favorite outfit. I love the top, I love the skirt, I love the earrings, I love everything about it. So let me know what your favorite is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
It's just so